You can't talk Vietnamese street food without talking about bánh. They're crispy little fritters made with shrimp and sweet potato. And what makes them extra crispy is the mix of flour and rice flour. Okay, that batter. Flour. And rice flour, we use this a lot in Vietnamese cuisine. From desserts, batters, noodles, everything. A little sugar. And if you ever go to Hanoi, which is the capital of Vietnam, you will find these everywhere. Some water, just a little bit. Okay, that's the consistency I'm looking for, nice and thick. And we love shrimp. I mean, Vietnam's surrounded by water, so we're a fisherman's country. Add some flavor, fish sauce, and garlic. And it is just astounding that 2 ingredients can have this much flavor. And for my sweet potato, I cut them up into thin strips earlier and kept them soaking in salt water, so they're bright and orange and they're not browning. I like to use paper towels to dry them up before I put them in the batter. And this is where the magic happens. Grease my ladle so it's gonna slide out nicely. Shrimp on the bottom. And then my sweet potatoes. And then a shrimp on top, a little shrimp sandwich. Slide it out. And I only do 2 at a time, so I don't overcrowd them, and they stay crispy and they don't stick together. I love anything deep fried. I mean, this is a mixture of sweet potato French fries, some tempura, pretty much everything that I love in one wok. So I'm gonna flip them so both sides get fried nice and evenly. Careful when you're flipping. It's intact. We're all good. These are good to go. They're looking really good. And I have some paper towels just to absorb that excess oil. Just a couple more to make. Wow, look at these. They're crispy, they're golden. Yeah. Okay, and how we eat these is wrap them up in fresh vegetables. And on anything deep fried, I love adding just a spritz of lemon or lime to brighten things up. And then lettuce, and put that fritter right on there. The batter's crispy, the shrimp is plump, and the vegetables, they just make everything so fresh. There's a restaurant in Hanoi that's famous for being the first to make this dish. I feel like I'm already there.